We've got wet roads in Branson with a temperature of 59 degrees right now, a south and east wind at 10 miles per hour. We've got the cloud cover, a couple of those showers and move through. We've got a little bit of a lull right now, but we could see some storms redevelop as we head through the afternoon. And just look at this. Gorgeous. From a meteorologist's perspective, this is beautiful right here. Look at this circulation of this low pressure that's centered over Kansas and Nebraska here this morning. That dry air wrapping into the center of that storm, and some more dry air getting into southwest Missouri as we speak. It's that dry air, that very steep difference between the dry air and the moist air that could help fuel a couple of more storms as we head through the afternoon and create a situation where we've got clearing on one side and clouds stuck on the other. So we'll have these rain chances be pretty likely through part of the afternoon, and then the dry air will eat away at the rain chances. But again, before it does that, it could pop a few storms. As this low approaches and that dry line, that dry air and moist air difference, this is what we'll wind up seeing in the afternoon. We'll see some clearing south and west with some afternoon sunshine, temperatures warming up nicely in the 50s and 60s. And then with this stalled out front up here, we'll keep the cloudiness, we'll keep the damp conditions, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. So we're looking at a potentially 20 to 30 degree difference across the Ozarks. Springfield kind of riding that line, likely hedging a little bit warmer with some clearing. But before we get all of that, we do have that isolated risk for severe weather. This has been tucked up a little bit, this marginal risk up north of West Plains, but we're still expecting the same conditions that I was talking about this morning. Isolated 1 or 2 storms could be strong to severe, mainly for the threat of 60-mile-per-hour winds, maybe some quarter-size hail, and there is the threat for an isolated brief tornado. Again, all of these threats are on the lower side of things, but not zero, so you're going to want to stay up to date on what's going on with the weather this afternoon. Now, as this dry air comes in, some gusty winds will kick as the relative humidities drop, so red flag warning in effect for western Missouri and western Arkansas here. That goes until 7 p.m. Please, no outdoor burning. Even with this morning's rain, fires would spread rapidly, so please keep that in mind. Here's that clearing you can see on that FUTURECAST by 4 o'clock. We're looking at 70s and clear conditions. Joplin, Bentonville, Fayetteville, but we do have some of those storms kind of popping up a little bit, and then that cloud cover lingering east with temperatures much cooler, around 50 degrees in Rolla. We'll keep those clouds hedging east as we head through the evening, and then we'll see some clearing conditions overnight. And then by tomorrow, we'll get this cloud bank to wrap around up north. So we're looking at some mostly cloudy skies up around Lake of the Ozarks, Camdenton, and Rolla with temperatures much cooler in the 40s. Mostly sunny around Springfield with some upper 50s, and then more sunshine and warmer 60s for areas south. Again, that's tomorrow. So we'll be dry Saturday, but the next rain chance is going to come up Sunday. And then into Monday, we'll have another system pass through, bringing us some showers and thunder. 69 degrees today. We'll have showers and thunder. And then again, we'll kind of clear out and be a little bit warmer west, keep cloudy conditions east. And then again, stay up to date on the KOLR 10 weather app about isolated severe weather risk later this afternoon. 42 overnight with some clearing skies. Tomorrow, St. Patrick's Day, 57. Mild with some clouds hanging out to the north. Next, chance for some showers late Sunday. We'll spend all of Sunday afternoon dry. Showers and thunder on Monday, 57 degrees, colder 40s on Tuesday.